Hello guys. This is CA Pankaj Rajani here, and I'm gonna share my knowledge with you regarding stock market. As we all know, stock market is a huge is a great platform for any of us to earn huge amount of money. Some people say stock market एक कुआं है. Some say stock market एक खाई है. Look, all these are myths. All these are hypes. We all know stock market is something that you can actually explore as much as you can and earn great amount of profits. Now the question is, how can you earn the great amount of profits? What I mean, how 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 the investors, the big investors, earn huge amount of profits? Investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, investors like Warren Buffett, uh, maybe small investors like any other small investors, uh, how they earn money through stock market. What do they see? What do they look? How do they analyze any stock, any share, so that they can earn a huge amount of profit? Look, there are many many people you'll you will have around you, and they'll say like stock market तो एक सट्टा है. Stock market is a pure gamble. स्टॉक मार्केट में बहुत रिस्क है. स्टॉक मार्केट ऐसा, स्टॉक मार्केट वैसा, स्टॉक मार्केट ये, स्टॉक मार्केट वो. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. Just because of this myth, just because of this hype, out of the total population of 140 crores in India, only only and only 5 to 6% of the people, only 5 to 6% of the people invest in stock market. India being such a literate country right now, it the people are getting educated right now, but still India, only 5 to 6% of the population in India invests in stock market. Why? What's the reason? Is the reason that they think stock market is as risky as gambling is, or stock market is equal to gambling? There could be many possible reasons, but if you are educated, if you know the stock market basics, if you know how to earn in stock market, you can go, you can you can achieve heights, and I mean it. There's nothing like stock. I mean, there's nothing like shares in the stock market. I mean, stock market is not only limited to shares. There are many things to invest, to explore in the stock market, be it shares of the company, bonds of the company, mutual funds, SIPs, futures, forward contracts, option contracts, many things. It just depend upon you how to explore, how much is your risk appetite. Actually, stock market people suffer losses in stock market because of their maybe illiteracy regarding stock market, obviously, or maybe because they think stock market is a gamble. Look, if you know about stock market, you can earn ample amount of money. It's just that how much is your risk appetite, how much willing, how much you are willing to take the risks. Obviously, being a beginner, at the initial level you cannot invest lakhs of amount of money in the stock market. It's very obvious you cannot invest. Then how much to start with? Is there any particular amount, is there any particular limit that we can start in the stock market to earn huge amount of profit? Look, there's no such limit, though no such minimum or maximum limit. It just depends upon how much money do you have, how much you are willing to invest out of that money. Look, if I have savings of suppose 30,000, I have a savings of rupees 30,000, I have a savings of rupees I can say 40,000, 50,000. I can invest 10% of the money, like 5,000, 10,000 rupees in stock market. Now, whether to buy shares of a particular company, whether to buy shares of a particular of any other company, how to decide that? There are many indicators to decide which shares to buy, which shares not to buy. And with, as I'm saying, amount the amount of rupees 5,000 rupees, 10,000, you don't have to invest all 5,000, all 10,000 rupees in a single company. All you need to do is manage your portfolio. Manage your portfolio. Now, what is this portfolio? Portfolio means the different shares you buy, the different shares, the different company shares that you buy is portfolio. Now, uh, I'll show you the screen about the stock market. How does the stock market look like? What is the I mean, what is this stock market thing? Many of us don't know about stock market yet, but how does it look like? I mean, what is the what are the various companies listed on stock market? How can we buy and sell the shares? Let me share the screen with you. Have a look. Just have a look on these on this. The market is obviously closed right now. It's 5:30 p.m. But the market begins at 9:15 a.m. in the morning, and 3:30 p.m. It closes. You can see clear the stocks in news, the top gainers, the top losers, top sectors in top by market cap, various companies listed on the stock exchange. Look, suppose I open Bharti Airtel here. Now, what is this? What is this amount? 709.95. This is the actual share price. The price of one share of Bharti Airtel. You can see the graph here, the red graph. It means that it was minus 2.60 rupees today. It fell down from 712 to 709.95 rupees. Here are the buy sell options. Since this is my demat account, obviously I can't right now, but here are the buy sell options. But except Bharti Airtel, if I go for look like Tata Coffee, you all might know Cafe Coffee Day, CCD. CCD is Tata Coffee. Now Tata Coffee share price, a share price of one share price is equal to 201.7 rupees. Yeah, as I said, CCD, as we all know, Cafe Coffee Day, it is a Tata product. The share price is 201.70 rupees per share. Now you will see the graph over here, how much it has fallen down today. These are the basic fundamentals that we study, that we learn in the stock market: PE ratio, PB ratio, industry PE, market capitalization, ROE, return on equity, EPS, earning per share, dividend yield, book value. These are all the fundamentals. These are financials: revenue, sales, that is profit that the company has earned in the quarters, different quarters, and net worth of the company. Obviously, I'm not promoting any share right here, but just to inform, just to uh, basically share the knowledge with you. Look, Reliance Industries, we all know Ambani's, Mukesh Ambani. Reliance Industry, the share price, as you can see, is around 2,400 rupees. It has fallen down to rupees 24.50 rupees. So this is a screen, basically a proper stock market screen, where you will, obviously you cannot see the fluctuations right now, but you'll see the fluctuations if you observe the stock market between 9:30 a.m. in the morning and 3:30 p.m. in the evening. You'll be able to see the fluctuations taking place. The fluctuations take place every second, just a blink of an eye and a fluctuation in the share price. It's it's really difficult to, by using our mind, just by using our senses, to identify that which stock is going to rise or which stock is going to fall down. It all depends upon the fundamentals of stock market. What are the various fundamentals of stock market? As I told you, the various fundamentals of stock market. The various fundamentals of stock market: PE ratio, the price to earnings ratio; the EPS, earning per share; the EBITDA of the company, basically earning before interest, depreciation, taxes and amortization; dividend yield of the company; the beta of the company, or the beta of the stock, I can say. All these are the fundamental indicators of what is stock market. How can you judge a company's stock? How can you invest in a company's stock? By looking at these are all theoretical. The theoretical, something practical. Even you can hedge your position, you can use arbitrage techniques. There are many things to do in a stock market. It's not just that you have to put your money into the stock market and boom, you earn profit. Nothing like that. Obviously, if you want to earn a great amount of profit, all you have to do is invest for a longer period of time. You cannot expect your 1,000 to become 10,000 in a period of 1 or 2 years. You just cannot. I mean, it is impossible. Actually, I'm not saying it's 100% impossible, but yes, it is impossible in a short period of time. Yes, but in longer period of time, your 1,000 may become 10,000, even 15,000, 20,000, 50,000, whatever. Depends upon the share you buy. You might have heard your parents saying, or you few people saying, यार काश ये चीज खरीद लेता तो आज करोड़पति हो जाता, काश ये चीज खरीद लेता तो माला माल हो जाता. But you cannot deny the fact that the opportunity cost lost by them, they have lost the opportunity to invest in the stock market just because they think stock market is a gamble. Stock market is pure speculation. It's nothing like that. There are various theories of stock market. There are various economists, there are various people, analysts, financial analysts, who have put in some stock market theories. The Dow theory is one such theory which explains the fluctuations taking place in the stock market, how the fluctuations take place in the stock market, what is the pattern of fluctuations. There are many fluctuation patterns, the patterns of graphs in stock, the patterns, basically the graph patterns of stock market, like head and shoulder, not the shampoo, of course. It's a pattern of graph, head and shoulders, and many such patterns. Butterfly, you will see. Flag, you will see. All such patterns. So you have to just manage your portfolio in order to earn huge amount of profits. If I share some of my personal experience with you, it's like that. Basically, I just, even I began investing in the stock market when I did not knew anything about it. Obviously, I was into a course of chartered accountancy, but still I entered stock market when I did not know completely about it. I I opted for intraday. Acha, those who do not know what intraday is basically buy today, sell today. It's a same day trading. When you buy a stock and sell it the same day, that is called intraday. I started intraday trading. I earned profits through intraday trading, but at the end, it's human mind. All of us think like if we have earned 100, if we had earned rupees 100 profit, we have to make it 200, we have to make it 300, we have to make it 400. This is called greed. You shouldn't be greedy in the stock market. If you are greedy in the stock market, you are gonna definitely lose your money. The money you have invested will become half if you are greedy in stock market. I did the same, earned some profit, but my greed let me down. I suffered, not obviously not a huge amount of loss, but yeah, I suffered a little bit loss, and then I just shifted my vision. मैंने सोचा कि यार क्यों ना इस चीज के बारे में पढ़ के, इस चीज के बारे में जानकारी लेके इसमें इन्वेस्ट किया जाए, क्योंकि आप बिना स्विमिंग सीखे समुद्र में नहीं कूद सकते या नदी में नहीं कूद सकते. अगर आपको स्विमिंग आती है और आप फिर समुद्र में कूदते हैं, आप नदी में कूदते हैं, तो यू कैन स्विम इजीली, यू कैन float, you can go from one corner to another, obviously in a river or in a swimming pool. But if you don't know swimming, how can you? It's a chance. इस केस में एक रिस्क है कि आप डूब जाएंगे. तो it's just that you have to take a little amount of risk if you are investing in stock market. Obviously, I'm not saying you invest lakhs of rupees at one go. Start investing a bit amount like 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 rupees, and then see how your money changes. See how your the amount of money you have invested changes from 5,000 to 6 to 7 to 8, and just don't be greedy. I just मुझे जस्ट अभी एक वॉरेन बफे का एक कोट याद आ गया. He said, he quoted, be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. इस चीज का मतलब शायद आपको अभी समझ नहीं आएगा. ये चीज आपको तब समझ में आएगी जब आप स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में A to Z सब जानकारी आपको मिल जाएगी, तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ, वॉरेन बफे की ये बात बहुत हद तक सही है. Don't be greedy. Just use your brain, use your analytical power, and invest in stock market for a longer period of time and earn money. Just the motto is simple. The vision should be simple. Earn after you learn, not earn before you learn. Earn after you learn. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed.